Ciao everybody! Welcome back to TF Delicacies. Today we're going to be making almond cupcakes with date frosting. These cupcakes are a healthy alternative to regular cupcakes. Let us get baking! But before that, please make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. First off, we're going to be adding 1/3 cup of room temperature butter. Next, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Mix this on medium speed. Then gradually increase it to high speed. Next, we're going to be adding 3 eggs. Add them in one at a time. Mix this on high speed. Repeat the previous step with the other eggs. To make the cupcakes more flavorful, add 1 whole teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this on medium speed. Finally, add 6 tablespoons of cold milk. Mix this on medium speed. We have taken the mixture off the mixer. Now we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix it in well. Then add in 2½ cups of almond flour, not almond meal. This will make them too lumpy and darker in color. Fold this in well until there are no lumps. To give it an extra little crunch, we're going to be adding chopped up walnuts. Fold them in until they're well incorporated. Now we're going to line the cupcake tray. Add 1 whole scoop of batter into these liners. Lightly tap the cupcake tray so all the air bubbles can escape. Time to put these into the oven. Here we have already heated the oven to 350 degrees. Leave them to bake for 22 minutes. After 22 minutes, check the cupcakes. If they're still uncooked in the middle, bake them in 5-minute increments. Now, time to make the date frosting. We're going to be using 20 pitted dates and 1/2 cup of boiling hot water. To mix this, we're using an immersion blender, but you can use a regular blender if you want. To enhance the flavor, we're going to add 1 whole tablespoon of cocoa powder. Fold this in very neatly. Also, add a pinch of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Fold in until well incorporated. After that, leave it to chill in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes. Finally, it's time to frost the cupcakes. We're using an extruder, but you can use a Ziploc bag or a piping bag. Pipe the frosting onto the cupcakes in any way you want. Ta-da! Here you have healthy yet tasty almond cupcakes with date frosting. Thanks for watching. Bye!